In the world of modern manufacturing, robots play a fascinating role. Imagine a bustling factory where machines and humans work side by side, each doing what they're best at, like a well-conducted orchestra. But how exactly do robots fit into this giant, humming symphony of production? Over the years, the manufacturing industry has changed dramatically, and robots have become a big part of these changes. They're like the superheroes of the factory floor, helping make things faster, safer, and more precisely than ever before. Think about putting together a car. It's a complex process with many parts that need to be connected just right. Robots are great at this. They can lift heavy parts without getting tired, fit pieces together with laser-like precision, and even handle tiny components that require skill and patience. But let's step back for a moment and see how these automotive robots work. Imagine a robot with a very strong arm. It's designed to perform specific tasks, like attaching a door to a car. It knows exactly how much force to apply and where to place each part. It moves smoothly and quickly, doing its job over and over again without making mistakes. Humans program these robots to do their tasks with precision and efficiency. Robots also play a crucial role in ensuring the quality of products. They can spot tiny defects in materials that the human eye might miss. Some are even equipped with tiny cameras and sensors, always on the lookout for issues like a detective solving a mystery. Catching problems early saves time and money and prevents defective products from reaching customers. Robots aren't just strong and precise, they're also versatile. They can switch from one task to another with ease. Suppose a factory needs to change what it's making. Robots can be reprogrammed to handle new tasks without needing a break. This flexibility is particularly useful when companies need to adapt quickly to changes in demand. However, robots don't work alone. Human workers have vital roles in managing, programming, and maintaining these sophisticated machines. Additionally, human creativity and problem-solving skills are essential when something unexpected happens or when new ideas are needed to improve a process. The way robots and humans collaborate can be compared to a well-rehearsed dance. Robots provide consistent efforts and precision, while humans bring creativity and adaptability. When these two forces combine, the manufacturing process becomes more efficient and innovative. In the world of modern manufacturing, the role of robotics continues to grow. With advances in technology, robots are getting smarter and more capable. They're even beginning to learn and adapt to new situations, which opens up exciting possibilities for the future of manufacturing. Who knows what amazing new capabilities robots will have in just a few years. In conclusion, robots have revolutionized the manufacturing industry. They have increased productivity, improved quality, and brought about a new era of precision and efficiency.